The Vision 2021 was officially launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of UAE, at the closing of a cabinet meeting back in 2010. The primary aim of the vision is to make the United Arab Emirates one of the best countries in the world by 2021 in terms of economic and social development. These are the basic features of Vision 2021. World-class healthcare, sustainable environment and infrastructure, first-rate education system, competitive knowledge and economy, safe public and fair judiciary, cohesive society and preserved identity. The UAE National Agenda, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and the ruler of the world, launched a 7-year UAE National Agenda leading to the UAE Vision 2021, which coincides with the UAE's 50th National Day. Vision of UAE National Agenda. The vision aims to make the UAE among the best countries in the world by Golden Jubilee of the Union. Pillars of UAE National Agenda: cohesive society and preserved identity, safe, public and fair judiciary, competitive knowledge and economy, first-rate education system, world-class healthcare, sustainable environment and infrastructure, cohesive society and preserved identity. The national agenda aims for the UAE to be the best in the world in the human development and to be the happiest of all nations. Cohesive society. A cohesive society works towards the well-being of all its members, fights exclusion, creates a sense of belonging and promotes trust. Social exclusion is the phenomenon and process related to poverty, deprivation, and hardship. Preserved identity. Identity preservation is a process or system of maintaining the safeguarding and the documenting the identity of a people and products in terms of business, trade, avoid privacy. UAE National Agenda promote UAE's unique culture, heritage and traditions and reinforce social and family cohesion. Safe, public and fair judiciary. National Agenda aims to make the UAE's judicial system among the most efficient in the world. Safe, public and fair judiciary. National Agenda aims to make UAE the safest place in the world. Competitive knowledge economy. National Agenda aims to make the country a major player at the international level, making the UAE the economic, tourism and commercial capital. World-class healthcare. UAE become among the best countries in the world in terms of equality of healthcare. Agenda aim to reduce the prevalence of smoking, increase the healthcare system readiness to deal with the epidemics, high occurrence of a disease or illness in the population and health skills. Sustainable environment and infrastructure. National Agenda focus on empowering the quality of air, preserving water resources, increasing the contribution of clean energy and implementing green growth plans. First-rate education system. The National Agenda aims to equip all schools, universities and students with smart systems and devices as the basics for all teaching methods, projects and research. First-rate education system. The National Agenda aims to enable the UAE students rank among the best in the world in regarding mathematics, science, exams, and to have a strong knowledge of the Arabic language. Here are some programs: PISA, TIMSS, and PEARL. PISA program for international students assessment every 3 years, 15 years old, 2009, 2012, and 2015, 2018, 2020, 21. Reading, mathematics, and science. TIMS, Trends in the International Mathematics and Science Studies. Every 4 years, Year 4 and Year 8, 2007, 2011, 2015, 2019. Mathematics and science subjects. Earth, Progress in International Reading and Literacy Study. Every 5 years, Year 4 and Year 8, 2011, 2016, and 2020-21. TIMS, Average TIMS score, UAE current rank 23 to 42 with 42 countries, 2011 report. Target is 2021 among the top 15 countries of the world. PISA, Average PISA score, UAE current rank 46 of 65, 2012 rate, and target 2021 among the top 20 countries in the world. Innovation, the UAE Vision 2021 sets out national agenda for UAE to become most innovative nation in the world. The achievements of Vision 2021. The achievement of Vision 2021 is based on 4 pillars. They are united in responsibility, sustainable environment, equality, ruling. UAE Vision to achieve the education target, UAE to become inclusive, barrier-free, rights-based society that promotes, protects, and ensures the success of all groups of students. The UAE Vision 2021 set out national agenda for UAE to become most innovative nation in the world.